Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious banana milkshake at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: ripe bananas, your preferred milk, and a sweetener. For a single serving, 1 or 2 ripe bananas are ideal. You'll also need about 1 cup of milk, which you can adjust to achieve your desired consistency. Finally, add a touch of honey or sugar to sweeten it perfectly. Let's get blending. Now, let's get to the blending. Start by peeling and slicing your ripe bananas into smaller, manageable pieces. This helps them blend more easily. Next, carefully add all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed blender. Secure the lid and blend until the mixture is completely smooth and wonderfully creamy. For an extra cold and thick milkshake, feel free to toss in a few ice cubes before blending. Enjoy the process. Once your milkshake is blended, it's time to customize and serve. You can enhance the flavor with a dash of vanilla extract or a sprinkle of cinnamon for a warm note. For a nutritious boost, consider adding a scoop of your favorite protein powder. To make it extra special, top your finished milkshake with a swirl of whipped cream or some colorful sprinkles. Serve your delicious creation immediately in a tall glass and savor every sip. Here are a few final tips to perfect your banana milkshake. For an even thicker and colder shake, try using frozen banana slices instead of fresh ones. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of milk, such as almond milk or oat milk, to find your favorite flavor profile. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, always clean your blender promptly after use to make maintenance a breeze. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.